everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's Dollar Tree haul is not going to be a real big one. It's going to be kind of small. But I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys what I have anyway. Most of the stuff that I'm hauling is for some upcoming DIYs that I'm going to be doing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys. So I don't know if it should be uploaded by now, but I may have already posted it. Anyway, a tutorial on how to do a cross wreath using the Dollar Tree cross wreath frames. And when I went to my Dollar Tree, I found that they had some more cross wreath frames. So I did go ahead and pick up 4 more of these. So just in case. Did I get 4 or did I get 5? 1, 2, 3. No, I got 5. So I did pick up 5 more of the cross wreath frames. So, yeah, anyway, there's that. And then they had some new floral. And I like to use a lot of floral in my wreaths and stuff, especially during the spring and the summer. But they had some of this new, now I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree before, but this is, what are they calling it? Spider plant. So you get 2. There's 2 stems here. I bought 2. Anyway, so these do look like a spider plant. So I was pretty impressed. They do look realistic. So I did grab 2 of them. So we'll see what I'm going to do with those. I tried to go back to get some of the, if you watched that cross wreath tutorial, I was using some of the patriotic floral from the Dollar Tree, and they had some blue roses, some red roses, and some white roses. Well, I went back because I was trying to find some more of the blue roses, and they were completely sold out. So I'm hoping that they get some more back because we're still in the, the patriotic season. The 4th of July isn't here yet, so, and then there's Labor Day. So anyway, I'm hoping that they get some more blue roses in, but they did have some more of the white roses, so I did go ahead and grab another bunch of them. And then they had the some carnations, and then I just got just the plain white ones, just the plain white carnations. Got one bunch of those. They had they had some more sunflowers. My Dollar Trees had sold out of the sunflowers, but they got some more in. So I grabbed some of the white sunflowers. So those are really pretty. And then they had this, and I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree. This is the cone flowers. So I think I grabbed 2 of these, yeah. So I grabbed 2 bunches of these. So these look pretty realistic too. So I thought I'd go ahead and grab a couple of those because those were the only 2 that I could find actually. So they had these, which are called Cosmos, which I think these are so pretty. So I did grab one bunch of those. They had some new roses, and these, at least my Dollar Trees have never had yellow roses as far as I know. But they had some yellow roses. These are just the prettiest things. So I did go ahead and grab 2 bunches of the just the yellow roses. So there's that. And then they had some red Gerber daisies. So I did go ahead and grab one bunch of the Gerber daisies because if I don't use these in a wreath for the summer, these would work really well in a fall wreath or any kind of fall decor that you are doing, because I mean this red color that's a fall color, so I think that's really pretty. So I grabbed one of those. Okay, so like I said, this stuff is kind of random, but it is for an upcoming DIY. So I grabbed one of these Betty Crocker solid turner spatulas, and this one is just the, I don't know, plain red spatula. I mean, what can you say about a spatula? So I grabbed one of those. And then also for an upcoming DIY, I went ahead and got some of this sand, decorative sand. Now they had this in different colors, but I liked the white, so I just grabbed the white sand. Now this is a 0.77 pounds, so 350 grams is the weight of it. But so I did go ahead and just grab one package of that. Okay. You're gonna be like, why did you buy all of those? Trust me, I'm doing a DIY, and I'm gonna be using these. So I got 4 of these sink strainers. So just make sure that if you're not subscribed, subscribe so that you'll know what I'll be using these for and what kind of an upcoming DIY. So anyway, I grabbed 4 of those. I grabbed one of these Cooking Concepts brownie pan. So just a brownie pan from the Dollar Tree. I just grabbed one of those, and that's for an upcoming DIY. Okay, this is not for a DIY, but I got this for my husband. It says, Dad's Workshop, My Tools, My Rules. It's a sign. I tried to get him one of these little metal signs at the Dollar Tree that they usually do them every year. So I tried to get him 1 or 2 of these so that he can hang them up in his garage, and he does. He hangs them up in his garage. So I thought I'd get him this one because he is very, very particular about his tools and who uses them, and you have to return them and put them back where you got them. And so anyway, I thought I'd get one of those signs for him. And then the last thing that I found is one of these mason jar signs. It says USA Freedom for the 4th of July decor. So I did go ahead and just grab one of these. So I may be doing this, I don't know, I may be doing a DIY with this, maybe putting this in a wreath, or I may just leave it like it is because I really like it just the way it is. So anyway, okay guys, I told you this Dollar Tree haul was going to be really, really short, so yay, I hope that you guys liked it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, because I would love to have you. Leave me a comment down below because I like talking to you guys. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!